Imagine if women wrote their real bio, not the passionate, driven multitasker. I feel like half of us would expose ourselves in 2 minutes. Because let's be honest, we all have two versions of ourselves. One, the public version, and one, the version that exists at 11:47 pm. One random conversation from 2018. And I feel that version deserves a bio. So today on Between Us, instead of talking about the serious topics that we always have been, let's write our actual bios. Hi, I'm Sneha, CEO of Overthinking Things I Said years ago that nobody else even remembers, but I remember very clearly. I'm also a senior analyst in what did they mean by that message. You know that one message with just a or a full stop? Yeah, that one. And then, multitasking expert. I can be doing skincare and at the same time imagining 14 different worst case scenarios of my life. And honestly, emotionally strong, independent woman. Until one small thing goes wrong and suddenly everything feels personal. Let's move on to hobbies. My hobbies include opening Instagram for 2 minutes to do a research on the content that I want to create and coming back 2 hours later with zero purpose and a slight identity crisis. And while getting ready to go out, 10 outfits tried, standing in front of a full wardrobe and still feeling like what most of us feel, I have nothing to wear. And don't even get me started on photos. 50 photos, one usable, and even that still thinking and not fully convinced. Financial planning. Add to cart. Remove from cart. Add again. Close app. And feels like I've achieved financial discipline for the day. Special skills. Special skills include typing a message, reading it 5 times, and still not sending it. Some weekend plans. Do nothing. Think about all the things I should be doing. Feel guilty about doing nothing. Get tired from doing nothing. Let's talk about sleep routine. Close eyes. Replay life's most embarrassing moments. Create imaginary future conversations. Win arguments that never happened. Sleep late. Wake up tired. Repeat. Relationship status, emotionally invested in people who don't even know I exist. Diet plan starts Monday, every Monday. Energy source, chai, overthinking, and kal se pakka motivation. But jokes apart, isn't it a little funny that even with all this going on in our heads, we are still showing up? We are still managing things, handling responsibilities, trying to figure life out one day at a time. So maybe we are not just passionate and driven, we are a little messy, a little confused, a little dramatic sometimes, but still doing life. And honestly, that counts for a lot. And between us, maybe we all just need to take a chill pill sometimes. Not everything needs to be figured out today. Okay, now tell me, what's your honest bio? No filter. I know you all have one. And honestly, not everything in life has to be so intense. Sometimes it's okay to just laugh at how we all are. Because clearly, we are all a little bit the same. And if you've liked this episode of Between Us, there's more coming next Monday, so stay tuned.